this today's video, we're gonna play hide the seeker, and then after the video, subscribe, like, and comment the video, guys. Okay, guys? Please, I need to get 1,000 likes. Please. The round is gonna be first. I want to just be quiet and walk around. Don't be sus. And I need to be not sus of anything. Because if I have a move that's up wrong, I'm gonna be shot, guys. Please don't shot me, please. Come on. Let's go. How to make this? What? Oh, I just need to walk. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Bye. Come on. That is the Marines. Oh my God. Broski. Hit that guy. That handsome guy. They killed me, guys. No. How did they know? No. What? Ooh, free stuff. Huh? This is free stuff. Oh. Okay. This game is rigged. Bro. This is rigged, bro. A fight car. Red light, green light is around me. Where's the loot? Loot. Wow. I'm not good at fighter, bro. I'm a newbie. Ooh, what is this? My house? Oh, okay. This is my house now. This is my property. I'm gonna explore. Ooh, a trampoline. Boing. Oh my God, what's happening? God. I'm gonna be sus, broski sus. I'm gonna turn around. Bro. Woo. What? This game is rigged. This is rigged. You said it's rigged, broski. Rigged. I don't know how to play this game. Just comment. I cannot fit this. Money. Oh, yeah. Yay. Let's yeah. Yay. I made it. What is this? Red. Yeah. Don't fall over. Don't fall. Boskies. You dead. You dead. You dead. I play in game now. I win. I win. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, what is dude? Oh, slide. Maybe here. Ah, I find it. Money, I'm come. I'm drowning. Oh, Bosky. It's super bouncy. What the freak? Ooh, a fucking pirate. Let's go.